Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious animal-style fries right at home. First, let's get those fries perfect. You can use fresh-cut potatoes, frying them twice for extra crispiness, or opt for your favorite frozen variety. Cook them until they are a beautiful golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Remember to season them with a little salt right after they come out of the fryer for the best flavor. Next up, the star of the show, the grilled onions. Take one medium yellow onion and dice it finely. Heat a tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Add the diced onions and let them cook slowly, stirring occasionally. This process takes about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing them to become beautifully caramelized, tender, and incredibly sweet, adding a rich depth of flavor. Now for the iconic special spread that ties everything together. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Finish it off with a pinch of sugar and a dash of black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a smooth, creamy, and perfectly balanced sauce that's both tangy and sweet. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Arrange your hot, crispy, seasoned fries on a plate. While they are still piping hot, quickly lay 2 slices of American cheese over them so they begin to melt. Then, generously spoon your perfectly caramelized onions over the melting cheese. Drizzle a liberal amount of your homemade special spread over the entire dish. Serve immediately and enjoy your incredible animal-style fries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.